If I am lose my love for you, will not lead me astray. The rule of my heart is to love you till the end. With you, I will do never yield to the temptations in this world. I will do give you a boisterous round of applause for stealing my heart the way you did. I grew more loving from the day I feel in love with you. We make the best news when we make it as a couple in love till the end. I will do love you when you don't deserve it. You can count on that. A hard life just became beautiful with your arrival in my world. I love you in a special way. It's overwhelming to love you the way I do. In the midst of it all, I relish each moment. I will do sip the drink of your love until it quenches my taste and replaces the blood that flows in my vein. While I was gazing that life forlornly, you came and blew my feet away, making me the happiest man on earth. With you, loneliness is so far away from me. From coast to coast, I will do remain loyal to you. What we share, I can't share with another. Our dreams are beautiful than the Disney land they make me wanna keep dreaming with you. I love you. I will do run till I catch you and hold you tight till you don't wanna leave you. Unseated loneliness in my heart and set on the throne of love. I did not want to fall in love, but you gave me no choice. You are worthy to be showered with love. You are the brightest of all the shining stars and the reasons I am happy. You can never break my heart, cause joy is the only thing you are capable of giving me. I dream of you both night and day, and I love you each second of the minute. I love you, sweetie. When I look at how far we have come together, then I understand that love is what has always kept us together. I know we have had a lot of challenges and misunderstandings that made things seem as though we were going to part ways. I know we have had quarrels that made things seem as though nothing was ever going to work out between us again. But here we are, moving forward and loving each other more. You are truly the best, and I appreciate your love and care. I love you really much, dear. Going through life is journey with you has made me a better person. Your love is one amazing thing I have ever been blessed with, and there is a lot I will do to keep it growing. Whenever I look at you, I see someone who I want to spend my whole lifetime with. You have stolen my heart away, and all I want is for you to keep it with care. I hurt you so much, baby. Without your love, I wouldn't have made it to this very point so fast. You have not only been a boyfriend but a support system and leader. You have not only been a lover but an advisor and listener. You have taught me a lot of things within this period of time, and I am sure that outbound shall continue to grow till it gets to a point where we get to understand that we have a lifetime together. I love you, sweetheart. There is nothing I wouldn't do to let you know that my whole heart belongs to you. Indeed, only a few persons in the world are so blessed and opportune to ever have the beautiful things which we share together. You are truly one person I heart so much from the very depth of my heart, and loving you is one thing that I will always do. I love you really much, sweetheart. Thanks for watching video.